Shall we everyone?
Covers PH.
Requested by my cousin. Ingat ka dyan. Hindi ko talaga pala to alam. So, naririnig lang natin sa mga kanta, pero try natin kantahin. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one that my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live and love you, will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful and white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I cherish. You look so beautiful and white tonight. Sana ako din na maranasan ko din mag-white. We had this timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say the world, you're my very reason, you're all that I believe in, with all my heart tight, in every word. So as long as I live and love you, will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Sira lang yung aking microphone, so kailangan natin bumili ng bago. Kaso wala tayong pambili, so pagtyagaan na lang natin ang ating microphone. Tonight, di ko pala nakanta yung ano. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this song. Beautiful and White by Shane Filan. Favorite daw to ng aking cousin na, ewan ko, team song ata nila. So thank you so much guys. Sa gamit ko na Bonkyo, sound card, it's a Bonkyo F998. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Basta yun na yan ha. Mag-order lang kayo. Ilalagay ko yung link sa Yellow Basket. Tapos pwede nyo rin ako i-follow sa ating Blue App. So yun lang po guys. Thank you so much.